Hello guys, welcome here to yet another tutorial. In this video, you will see how you can manage your class information within the course. Okay, so let's get started with that. So for that, you will have at least the capability in a such a way you can edit the course or the course content. So it may be the teacher with editing capability, that is editing teacher, or you can be admin or manager. Okay. So currently you see I am logging here with a site administration role and after login I will have to come here within the courses because this will be added inside the course. Then the manage class and subjects, and let's suppose I have to add here within LMS training. Then I will come here in editable mode from top, and then the view course, and you will find the Moodle course in a way will have the first type, the general. So these particular sections and the activity within these sections can be included, like saying the class information, the session planning, and the timetable. You can include the stuff like this. Everything you can include here. Also, the announcement will go here. In case you have to add attendance, that will also come here. And yes, the queues is not well suited for the general section. It can be moved in a different sections like this. Okay, so let me try creating a class information first. So for that I can add an activity here, and from here you can see the text and media. So in case you have a very little information around this, then you can use this sections text and media. And in case you have a large amount of content here, you can go for either adding a file like a PDF and or Word. Okay, so in my case, I am assuming I have a very limited content. So I'll be using this, the text and media area. Okay, and the title will go here, the class information. Okay, so this will be the title, and the whatever the information will have will come under this text section. Okay, like say this class is going to start from 10th of December 2024, and this class will be in recurring mode every Saturday and Sunday. So this is how your content will go. And in case you have to highlight either, you can do this one. Either you can go for a bold, italic. Okay, so you have other formatting tools you can go for, like underline you have in case you have to do. Okay, so like this you can go for. In case you have more information, you can also go for adding the bullet points. You can also go for. Okay. In case you have a video around, audio around, and the table information, you can also go for here. Okay, suppose you have a tabular form. So class date. So like this you can go for. You can also resize the table. In case you have to add more row and column, you can also go for that. Insert column, right. Okay, let's say date at the end. Class name, teacher name you can also include here. Okay, so like this you can add information. Let's say C plus plus class. Okay, teacher name Mr. Alex, let's say, and date will be the coming Saturday will be the 7th. So not after 10th, the first coming Saturday will be 14th. So like this you can. If I press the tab here, the row will be automatically added. So the most of the feature will find within this editor or MS Word kind of thing will have the experience. Okay, so you can go for, let's say the next class is Java. Let's say message. So you can go for, let's say the 15th here. Okay, so you can add the information like this. In case you have to remove, I can cross this one. Okay, so table will be crossed. If you control Z, you will have that table back. If you have not saved, but if you save, you'll have okay. So I have to delete this row. I can delete from here. In case you have to make it bold, you can also go for italic. You can go for in case you have to highlight like S2 S3, you can make it bold also. Okay, so you can arrange the information the way you want. And after that, in case there is a video around the introduction, you can also pull and you can insert here. You can also go for adding emoji. Data time you can pick from here. Got it? So these are the media. You'll basically find everything. These options in MS Word you can go for. Okay. In case you have to make any color thing, you'll have to go into the code format. So in future, going forward, we'll also be adding here. You can easily add the color stuffs. Okay, so let's try make it a bit smaller here. Okay, so you can adjust like this. So let's say this is all the class information I have for now, and the common settings. You don't have to worry around any other setting. You just have to put here the title, and the description will go here. So I just type here. You just saw that. So in case you have information in MS Word file, you can directly copy paste here, and it should be working fine as it was formatted in the Word file. Got it? So for example, let's say I am opening here a Word. Okay. If you are finding difficulty in doing formatting there, you can also do here. Let's say this is in red and I have to make it like this. Okay, so I can simply copy and paste here. Okay, so this is how you can use the all formatted. You can create within this MS Word and you can directly copy paste here. So it will be easy for teacher or the even admin to manage these stuffs. Okay, so this is how you can create the new text and media area for your class information, and you can also go do the same steps for the session planning. In case you have multiple date range, you can create here the table in a Word file. Okay, so like this you can go for, you'll have date, then this class kind of thing you can also put here, like I just put it here for the class information. Okay, completion condition none, because this is there is nothing around the student have to complete this. it's just a view kind of thing, so it's all good, so it should be the none. Yeah, but in case you want this information to be addressed by a student, then you'll have to pick here. Okay, and the address date, like suppose they have to click or check kind of thing, then you can put like this, but basically it should be nothing around this. So you just have to put here the title, then the text description. Then in case you want to send the content changes to all the participants, and this will go to all the participants who have joined within this course, but I don't want to notify them, so I will click here save and return to groups. Okay, so now you can see that your class information is coming here the upfront. Okay, so class information is coming upfront here. So whenever the student will visit this particular course, they can see this one upfront. Got it? So this is how they can see the learner, and the learner will be able to see like this. And in case there is any modification, you can also modify this. Let's say I have to add more content here, then I will have to come here. I just have to enable this first, the edit mode, then I can directly switch to this. Then here I will have to click on edit settings, then again I will be get back here to that page from where we had added this content. I can update here. Got it? So let's say I have to put the same information here, then I will be pasting like this. Got it? So like this you can paste. Okay, now save. So you can see I just modify this one and added one more liner here, the same as on the top. Okay, so this is class information. Now the same way we can have the session planning also. You can create a tabular form there. Okay, and same we can go for the timetable. So let me try adding a file here for this time. Okay, so for the session planning, we can also go for creating a file. So this was created using the text and the multimedia. Now this time I have to add here file. I'll be using this one. Okay, so I can also add here the file. The file title will be the session planning, and the file I can browse for here. Okay, let's say the PDF. Okay, so let's say this is. So currently I'm just uploading a resume, but it will be a actual file, actually the session planner PDF. Okay, let's say this one I can download. Yes, so this is just so planner you can create like this. You'll have like this. It may be basically in a tabular form. So any PDF file you can go for uploading here. Got it? Now appearances. So size. In case you want to make the size of this file visible, we'll have to pick this one. So type the file type, and when it was uploaded and modified it, you can also go for like this. Okay, so now you can click on save and display. So your file will look like this. Got it? So in case you have to change the order, you can also go for so season planning. You can make it on top, and in case you don't have any announcement as of now, you can make it at the bottommost of this section. Got it? So I can rearrange the information as per the requirement you have. Got it? Even the attendance is not on the top priority. It should be the season planning, then the class information, then we'll have the attendance, then the announcements. Because there is no announcement as of now. But in case you will have, you can make it on top. Because announcement is something it should be on the topmost. Okay, so this is how you can add the session planning. So in case you have a more content around, then it is suggested to add here, yeah, within a file. Okay, you can see here the file type. So learner will see like this. Okay, so on the general section they will have the session planning. It's showing the file type in PDF. You can also see the icon here. The size is also displaying here, and when it was uploaded time showing. In case you have to remove this stuff, you can also, you are all welcome, you can edit from here. Okay, because that options are coming because I had checked, so these settings there. Now I have unchecked everything and save and display. You can see, you can go back and you can see only this particular name of that title of that file activity is coming here. Got it? So this is how you can create or add a session planner, or you can say the class planner or training planner. You can add like this here. Got it? So if I click on this, it will be opening here. Then there is other thing, the timetable. Same way we can add here the timetable. Okay, so either you can go for adding this the text and multimedia one, or you can pick for this file. Okay, so you have other options also. In case you have a multiple stuff, you can use the book because it will appear like you'll have the chapter then the content. So you can also go for this one. Well, so that's it from this video. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.